If you want to know how to create how-to style posts with just a prompt, stick around because this video is going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. You'll be able to create engaging, helpful posts without spending hours brainstorming or writing from scratch. This is perfect if you're looking to create content fast and with minimal effort. Let's start with the basic idea of a how-to post. A how-to post typically breaks down a process step by step, guiding the reader through a task they want to learn. The key here is making it simple, easy to follow, and actionable. And here's the trick. You don't need to start from nothing. You can create these posts with just a prompt and a good software tool. I've tested some of the top tools for creating this kind of content, and I'll show you exactly what I've learned. The first thing you need to do is get a prompt. This could be as simple as how to set up a website or how to organize your workspace. Once you have your prompt, the software we're using will help you break it down into manageable steps. So instead of sitting there wondering what to write next, the software will give you a structured outline. You simply input the topic and it generates a list of relevant steps. Now that we have our outline, we can start refining it. You'll want to take each step and expand it with clear instructions. The software will give you a base to work from, but adding your own personality and unique advice will make the post even better. This part is where you can add your tips, tricks, or insights based on your experience or knowledge. Once you've expanded your steps, don't forget to add a closing section. This could be a conclusion or a call to action, encouraging your readers to take the next step. For example, after explaining how to organize a workspace, you might suggest readers check out your other posts on productivity or download a related checklist. Here's the key takeaway. With just a prompt and the right software, you can create how-to style posts quickly and efficiently. The software helps you create a structure, and you fill in the details that will make your content unique and valuable. To recap the steps: 1. Get a clear prompt or topic. 2. Use software to generate an outline. 3. Expand on each step with your insights. 4. Add a conclusion or call to action. And before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used in the description below. This is a limited offer only for viewers of my channel. Don't miss out. It'll make creating posts like this even easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.